My name Vijay Lazarus, and I'm a retired man. The lift which you have installed is for my retirement use because we cannot go up and down, so we are using this lift. It's beautiful to look at in the house, and I choose the first thing I notice about this because it is very less noise, absolutely, and maintenance free, and it's very easy to operate. Just once we get the instruction, we can go and lift. Use the lift. Known visitors, they come. I take them up, down, and they have the feeling of that. They appreciate. I feel good when I have this. I can go up, and otherwise to go up to all the stairs, and it's going to be problem for me. So I use this. I like it very much. This was good, perfect.